and Agriculture Organization for the United Nations na the agency for inside UN where they lead Oyibo people to overpower hunger and make sure say people chop well and get food to eat. Their motto for Latin na Fiat Panis, wey mean say make bread dey. Dem start am for October 1945. Na 197 states follow for the FAO. Their headquarters na for Rome wey dey inside Italy, and other small and big offices wey dey work for like 130 countries. E dey help government and development agency make their work better and to develop agriculture, forestry, fisheries, land and water resources. Dem dey also do research, give technical assistance to projects, education and programs wey dey train, collect information for agriculture, production and even development. The FAO dey governed by biennial conference wey dey represent all the member countries and the European Union, wey dey elect 49 member executive council. The Director General wey be Ku Dongku of China dey serve as the Oga Administrative Officer. Different communities dey wey govern matter like finance, programs, agriculture and fisheries. The idea to start the ogbonge organization for food and agriculture start for 19th and for early 20th century. E come advanced by one Polish-born American agriculturist and activist wey dey call David Lumbin. For May go reach June 1905, one ogbonge conference hold for Rome inside Italy wey make dem start the International Institute of Agriculture (IIA) by the man wey be King of Italy, Victor Emmanuel III. IIA na the first intergovernment organization to deal with wahala and problem for agriculture for global scale. Their work na to collect, compile and to publish information for on top agriculture wey start from statistics to catalogue of crop diseases. One of the things wey dem don do well na the agricultural census for 1930. The World War II na im stop the IIA. For the war inside 1943, the United States President Franklin D. Roosevelt bin call United Nations meeting for the matter of food and agriculture, wey carry all the representatives come from 44 governments. As the meeting end, dem start the permanent organization for food and agriculture wey start for 16th October 1945 for Quebec City, Canada. After the war, the IIA come end because of the agreement wey the permanent committee take for 27 February 1948. Na from there they transfer the mandate to FAO wey maintain their headquarters for Rome wey dey inside Italy. The work of the FAO dey support agricultural and nutrition research to dey provide technical assistance to member countries to make production for agriculture, fishery and forestry better. Inside 1960s, their focus na to put efforts to develop high-yield strains and grains wey go kill protein deficiency, to grow rural employment and agricultural exports. They also join UN General Assembly to create the UN World Food Programme, the biggest humanitarian organization where they address hunger and they promote food security. For 1974, to answer famine for Africa, the FAO gathered for the first World Summit to address hunger, malnutrition and food insecurity. The meeting bring about one talk where they say every man, woman and pikin get right to dey free from hunger and malnutrition, wey go develop their physical and mental faculties, and wetin dem call global commitments wey go remove the problem within decade. For inside 1996, dem hold another meeting wey go address the katakata wey dem get to achieve their goals, as dem wan start plan to stop hunger and malnutrition for inside the 21st century.
Our new strategic framework 2022 to 2031, endorsed by FAO 194 members, supports the 2030 agenda through transformation to more efficient, inclusive, resilient, and sustainable agri-food systems for better production, better nutrition, a better environment, and a better life leaving no one behind.
Inside Africa Network, exploring Africa.